Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty and USD analysis for the coming week. Nifty, is heavily impacted by Mercury, and there is an important rule which is coming into effect in the coming week, which is Nifty rule number 27. Mercury speed in longitude geocentric is 59 minutes or 1 degree 58 minutes. Now, this is the rule which is written by George Bayes, Handbook of Trend Determination. It is available free of cost. It has certain rules, 50 plus rules, and few of them have very good impact on our market. Now, October will be a it should be a volatile month. So I've already shared an important Astro and Gann dates. So 2nd October was 1, 6, 11, 14. So these are few dates where we can see a good trending move in the market. So watch out for these days. How to trade these dates I have already shared in this video. So now coming to rule number 27. So what it says is basically I go here in timing solution software, go to model file, base rule 27. Big tops and major bottoms are when Mercury speed in geocentric latitude is this. And I click on calculate and I change this to time because these are two aspects involved. So generally you have to move to time. As you can see here, lot of good tops and bottoms. So this is a major bottom, a kind of a top, a major bottom, and now this date is coming here. So today's high and low will be very important for the next turn in the market almost till 11th of October. So this is a very important thing which is happening. Apart from that, there are three more astro events, which are these. Mercury is going trine with Jupiter, Venus square with Uranus in heliocentric, and Mercury conjunct Neptune in helio. Now, this is very important because Mercury is an inner planet. Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. These are all slow-moving planets, and these kind of aspects doesn't form so frequently. So these aspects carries an important role. All these are happening on 4th. I'll quickly show you about this because Mercury conjunction is a very important aspect with Neptune, and this is happening in heliocentric. Heliocentric means it is happening when we are looking from the sun side. So again, I'll open this and I go to aspects. Let me delete all these things, and we have to apply. Go to aspects, and Mercury is conjunct with Neptune. So this is Mercury. This is Mercury is going in conjunct with Neptune. So there are lot of aspects, but we have to do a lot of thorough back testing, and to see which aspects impact our market most. Few aspects impact Bank Nifty, few aspects impact Nifty, and others are for global markets. So, and I want the exact day of the aspects. I'll turn it to 0, and I click on plus. So this is Mercury in conjunct. Okay, we did a mistake. I need to move it to Helio. Helio means looking from the sun side, plus, and we click on calculate. So Mercury in conjunct with Neptune. So these are the lines where Mercury is in conjunct with Neptune. You can see here it almost formed a bottom here. Again, it happened a bottom. So this is a very important aspect and leads to a good trend change into the market. Today, anyways, we are up, and we are up almost 200 points in Nifty. So, today's high and low will be very important because these aspects are also, there are multiple aspects which are forming, like Mercury trine Jupiter. All Jupiter, this will have a good impact on Bank Nifty. Uranus has a very good impact on technology stock. Neptune, more from the anything related to communication has a good impact on it impacts those sectors. So now for Nifty, important level to be watch out for is 17699, a very important level. And these are the levels, which we need to watch out for. This is for Bank Nifty 37626, very important level which need to be watch out for. For USD 7429, watch out very closely. As soon as it is breached, we can see a fall in USD till 7390. So, these are the levels I'm sharing, and let me quickly share you the neural analysis also of Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the neural for Bank Nifty, kind of pop up today, then a small fall, and then a good rally. Around 10th or 11th, it is showing that it can be a topping out formation. This is for Nifty, bump up today, and then we can see a small dip again. and this is for USD. Again, it shows like you can see a small bump up, and then we can see a fall around fifth or sixth where we can make a bottom. So that is the neural analysis, and I've shown you the important levels, important aspects, and important levels. So 7699 and 37626, very very important level to be watch out for. Important aspects have been shared. So trade with discipline, trade with the right position size. Thank you.